Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best strap clamps that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Strap Clamps. Strap clamps were initially used in the flooring industry when glued laminate floors became popular. In the hardwood installation end of the business, these tools were never seen or used until a number of manufacturers began to market a larger number of their products for the floating method. It was as basic as applying the glue into the grooves and tapping the boards tightly into place. Number 5. Key-type hose adjustable 8 to 38 mm range turnkey clamp. The high corrosion resistance of this all-stainless steel band, housing and screw makes this the perfect clamp for numerous industrial installations. Designed for different diameter hoses. Main features: high quality, rust-proof, wide range size. Number 4. Bass 23 Vireo Angle Strap Clamp. Make difficult frame and furniture clamping. Band spanner high torque clamping system. This self-contained system combines adjustable corner brackets, rectangular, circular objects. Main features: 23-foot capacity, high tensile strength, easy to use. Number 3. 4M Woodworking Band Strap Corner Miter Vise Framing Tool. Non-slip TPR handle is comfortable to hold and operate. Compact size, can be well stored for portability and easy access. A practical and multifunctional woodworking tool. Main features: scope of application, durable in use, easy to carry. Number 2. Cork M20 Strap Clamp 3/4 inch 2-hole strap. Stainless steel pipes, rubber hoses, plastic steel pipes, indoor toilets, outdoor roof drain pipes. Enjoy a smooth and frustration-free experience 1 month. Main features: high quality material, 100% satisfied guarantee. Widely used. Number 1. Woodworking Band Strap Clamp Ratchet. Compact size, can be well stored for portability. A practical and multifunctional woodworking tool. Trap measures about 4 meters, suitable for polygon items. Main features: non-slip TPR handle. Made of pure nylon. Easy to access. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.